This is TV Bastard.
One, two, three, four.
TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! Hey! On £1,000 an hour for talking bullshit. I can't believe he gets paid for this. But he looks good in the Armani and the Rolex with them wide teeth. He's a fucking record. Mighty fucking high. Why don't you fuck off back to Blunders? Dermot O'Leary. Yeah, Dermot O'Leary. Who did he suck off to get on TV? I can't believe I still pay my licence. Walking in the footsteps of wankers, ladies and gentlemen. Walking in the footsteps of wankers. We'll keep walking. Keep walking. TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! The BBC will never get a hold of me.
They want to get hold of you.
The fucking right-wing propaganda machine. The BBC. But who are we? Who are we, ladies and gentlemen? Oh,
Me?
who are we?
Jerky class,
You,
mate.
me, some of the others. The shirking class, Carl.
I said so.
The shirking class. Well, keep walking, keep walking. Keep walking, keep walking. TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! TV Bastard! It's a well-known fact that the majority of our A and B list celebrities, TV celebrities, radio celebrities, suck someone off to get on television. But it seems to me, once you get on television, you can't have a fucking opinion. You can't say anything fucking true. Look at these people. Brexit is see-through. It's a tax haven for the fucking rich. Everyone can see it. You hear the rhetoric. Coming to Brexit, Brexit, we're leaving, we're leaving. No one wants to fucking leave. No one wanted to vote. This song's not directly about Dermot O'Leary being a cock. It's about being influenced by these people. Jeremy Kyle, Simon Cowell, Robbie, all of these people telling you what to think. I don't think so. Do you know what I think? Do you know what I think, Carl? Cocks. Wankers. The cock-sucking motherfucking wankers. TV Ladies and gentlemen, Cole Holker, Ian Coates, I'm Mark, we are the Blunders. Thank you very much.